Hey, it's Mr. Anderson here, and we're going to be doing some matching from the adult animals to the baby animals in the book, Where is My Baby? So let's read what the instructions are and then try our best. What is this story about? The parent animals are looking for their babies. Let's help them out. What animal is this? The dog.
Dog.
What animal is this? The horse.
Horse.
What animal is this? The sheep.
Sheep.
What animal is this? The cat.
Cat.
And then what animal is this? The bear.
Bear.
Now let's match them. Which animal is the puppy? Between these two, which one is the puppy? That's right. This is the puppy.
Puppy.
Which one is the foal? That's right. This one is.
Foal.
Which one is the lamb? That's right. This is the lamb.
Lamb.
Which one is the kitten? That's right. This is the kitten.
Kitten.
Which one is the cub? The only one left.
Cub.
Awesome job on matching the parent and baby animals. Hope you had fun doing that, and I'll see you later.